What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. Good to see y'all in the chat. Thank you for hanging tight while I was getting everything set up, guys. What's up, Vampire Kangaroo? Got Mr. Rick in the chat. How's it going, Mr. Rick? KC, always a pleasure, man. Rick saying I hit Jasmine good today. Yeah, we need to look over Jasmine. Definitely. Had some pretty big movers on the day. Harmony 1 doing pretty cool stuff, too. What's up, Invu? What's up, Shape? Raider YTG. What a time to be alive, dude. You are not lying, my friend. I see you got notifications hit. Thank you very much, man. Ben Cadillac, what's happening, my dude? You working tonight, Ben, or what? Just Bum is in the chat, people. Just Bum. My boy, Zach B. I know, I'm feeling pretty good, man. I don't know about y'all. Everything looking pretty hot today. We'll give everybody a few minutes to roll in, and then we'll start breaking down some TA, going over some news articles. What's up, Mr. Alex? We got Cedric Norman. Got a little group here tonight, man. Thank y'all for tuning in very much. Oh, man. Got our boy Bear just posted in the Discord he's at a Beach Boys concert. That's cool. So guys, what a freaking day. What a night, huh? Bitcoin closing above 60K. Shot up pretty good for the day. Very good to see it back above 62 right now. Make sure I got that right. Bitcoin. What was the high for the day? 63,271. We said last night if we close above 60K, we could shoot back to 63 pretty quickly. Hit that level. Now we're having some pretty decent sell-off. A little correction going on. Nothing to be concerned about. Pretty much got some support around 62.5 down here. So everything looking pretty tight. I think Bitcoin's definitely gearing up for another great week, guys. What's up, Brian Sherlock? I should have sold yesterday when I was only down 500. You're only down 500 bucks, man? Let's see. XRP coming back up for you, though. Up 1.74% on the day. We're making its way back. We got Ethereum 4,231 bucks. Looking pretty good for the day. ADA slowly, hangs around 215 as of right now. Shiba down 2% on the day. But, man, what a comeback for Shiba. Right below where I sold it at for the last swing trade I did on it. So, not going to look to pick none up right this second, even though I do think I can miss on this next rip. But I'll be hanging tight. It's looking pretty decent right now, guys. We'll do some TA on it. Yeah, I know. No cam tonight, guys. No cam. XRP killing me too. The judge extended. Yeah. Messing a lot of people up, but it will move with the rest of the market, man. It might not have that exponential big time gains that we're hoping for when the news gets released, but it will pump, man. It definitely will pump. How about Solana, guys? Up 4.4% on the day. Solana looking really, really tight. Super, super tight. On one bag, 40K Doge was only down about 500 bucks from that 12K investment. Yeah, if you're holding two different bags, what I would do personally, dude, when I look to get green on that bag that you were only down 500 bucks, I would probably look to, hop out and have some money to average out, What's up, Pearl? You seeing Harmony 1, my dude? That thing is rocking, man. We're going to pull that up here in a few minutes. The other 20K are messed, though. Those are over average 42. You could look to average down with it too, man. Being that you came that close. But overall, you'd have to do you could pretty much add everything up that you got and get your ultimate average like that too as well. Ryan, if you're not in the Discord, man, make sure to join up, man. You can hit me up directly. Algorand is doing its thing too. You're not lying, my friend. Let's pull up on the charts. Why does it not show it? 205 right now. So working its way back up, guys. Shiba looking pretty freaking decent on the charts right now. I think we could possibly be heading back up for maybe a retest of this 4508. I don't know if we dip before that, though. We still haven't went back to touch that 50, and it's been quite some time since the start of this run that we haven't went back to touch that 200. So that what kind of is keeping me back right now. It's just kind of holding me back because this thing is still way up there. Everything comes back to touch the 200 eventually. Not to say it can't bounce off that 50 and rip even higher. I'm just kind of waiting. Maybe for a retest of that 50, which is currently sitting at where are we at? 4000. If we hold that, I might end up looking to swing trade some Shiba and then pick me up some. I got you, Ryan Sherlock. Cedric says I get depressed when I'm down 50 bucks, 500. Jeez. Hey, make sure y'all check out the hot crypto plays Envu's been playing. Pretty much everything's up about 90% what he's been posting. So definitely give that a look. Definitely worth it. Vet will follow Harmony's FTM. Let's pull up Harmony. Harmony looking really decent for the day, guys. Up 13.8% on the day, sitting at 33 cents. Rocking, absolutely rocking. 35 cents was the high. I think that was an all-time high for Harmony. So we'll have to see what happens here. Just be careful with this. You are buying all-time highs, but I don't think it's done by any means. I think you could definitely get some more out of this. I'll just wait for a little pullback to look to hop. Let me see this real quick. Ryan, you just joined that blue link at the top. Click in the Discord, my friend. Alex, your boys say where to DK. I'll get him back tomorrow night. I promise, man. I took him down. I'll pop him back up there for him, man. Tell the boys I said hello, though. Send their names, man. I'll give them a shout out with the air horn. What do you think of Coin 98? I was hearing something about it. Let's pull it up, see what it's doing. Up 13% today. Another pretty good mover on the day. $4.36. Is this an all-time high? I think it is. Nope. $6. 606 back in August. So could you be working your way back up to that level? Quite possibly. Let's see this. Not a bad market rank. Got decent trade volume on the day. Price change up 14%. I think it's solid, man. I would try to ride it back to $5-6 and then see if you break out there. It's up 14%, almost 15% on the day. So definitely has some volume stepping into this thing, and it's moving. I like it, man. Let's go on a 1 day. Yeah, you're pretty much sitting at a pretty good high right there. It could rip up even further. I just see a little pullback. See when you have these big run-ups, you kind of hang up tight, and then you kind of pull back a little bit. So maybe somewhere within this range of $4.30, $4.25, somewhere within that range, I would be looking to buy some if I didn't have it already. Ryan Sherlock, don't worry, just keep the money on the side. I will give you some coins later. Yeah, Invu's been making some really good plays, guys, in the Discord. It's on the hot crypto plays. Make sure y'all check those out. Alex, well, we got to give a big shout out to James. Get them tendies early, my dude. Thanks for tuning in, James. Really appreciate you, my friend. So on the day, let's pull up some Doge, because Doge is not did not hold that 27 range. And it's pretty upsetting, man, because, you know, we talk about it all the time, and it's one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. And as of late, Shiba is starting off this bull cycle. It was DogeCoin last time. Shiba is, you know, taking the pack from Doge right now, and there's no denying it. Shiba's having the best days of the beginning of this bull run. That's not to say Doge is dead by any means. It's just currently trading sideways, guys. We tried to hold 27. We get knocked right back down. And a lot in part, you know, the lack of news, I think. Lack of stuff happening in the market. I mean, we did see that article piece about, you know, anywhere that accepts those Verifone cards, you could possibly use it to pay with Doge. But, you know, when is that coming? When's the Robinhood wallets gonna get released? You know, I think that would be a pretty big catalyst for it, which would push the price up pretty good. But we just can't stay over 27 since as of late, guys. And, you know, it is a little frustrating, but we are currently working our way there. We're hanging around 26 instead of 24. It's slowly creeping up. It's just taking its sweet time. And in the meantime, Shiba's, you know, ripping right back up above 4000. Right now, the quick plays are in Shiba. Just be careful. You remember what happened with DogeCoin? They had that big run up back in the beginning of the year. That's exactly what is going to happen with Shiba. And, you know, you just have to be careful with it. Where's the top? Nobody knows. Nobody thought 74 cents was the top on Doge. Ended up being the top. I do think Shiba has some more room to go, especially with what Bitcoin I think is about to do personally. We got some big news on BKKT stock. They're actually, let me pull this up. I got the article right here. BKKT, just to show y'all the move it made today. That's not it. Why is it not coming up? There it is. Up 234% on the day, guys. Absolutely one of the biggest gainers on the day. But what happened? Shares of BKKT Holdings soared 234% on Monday after digital asset platform announced blockbuster deal with not one but two financial heavyweights. So BKKT is partnering with MasterCard to help debit and credit card processing Titan provide its customers with a broad range of cryptocurrency services. So really, really huge news. This is absolutely blockbuster deal, guys, especially for cryptocurrency. Not a type that's going to blow the lid off anything, but you're going to start to see effects of this down the road. Now, these include the ability to buy and sell and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In addition, MasterCard and BKKT will give merchants and banks the ability to offer crypto-based loyalty rewards and payment cards. So, you know, you have all these credit cards and you get these real low interest rates for cash back and stuff like that. They're kind of hopping on the board of what Coinbase debit cards doing. It's very good to see, man. You know, you'll be able to get your loyalty rewards from everything you spend off your credit cards back in crypto, and those can grow exponentially. Great for the crypto space. Really, really great. That means more people will be getting Bitcoin, and they're not going to have to hold their own little wallet. The rewards will be on the card held in Bitcoin. So really, really great for the crypto space. This is a blockbuster deal. That's the reason why BKKT is actually up 234% and then 71% in the aftermarket, trading at $52.33. And that's for no reason other than this huge blockbuster deal that's going on with MasterCard. And man, I'm stoked about it. Definitely a big mover on the day. I didn't see that one coming. They had a few people out there that were calling it, and they made some pretty good tendies off of it. But hey, you can't hit them all, can you? VeChain is also killing it today. What did VeChain end up at? VeChain. Up 7% on a day at 14 cents. Yeah, I like it. It's working its way back up the mountain. We like some VeChain, guys. Very good buy right here. Very good buy. You know, not as good as 8 cents, but man, I was buying this thing, you know, in between 10 and 12 cents. So I hold quite a few VeChain, guys. Make sure, if I was you, I would do so as well. That thing will go back to around the 20-cent range. Oh, it's all good, Alex. Anytime, man. What's up, Skydive? Good to see you in the chat. Really good to see you. So, not too much news going on. The BKKT stuff was absolutely huge, of course. I don't like I said, it's not going to be a blockbuster right out the gate, but it's great to see stuff like that happening in the markets. It's absolutely going to help out in the long run for cryptocurrency prices, even more so through the bear markets. You know, last bear market, we didn't have a program set up like this. And it's just really good to see. Like, look, I'm a DogeCoin holder, but I'm also, you know, growing to Shiba, and I'm not mad at Shiba at all. I made good tendies off of Shiba, and I like it for the simple fact that it's actually bringing millions and millions of new people to the market, and a lot of people that left the market back into the market. So as of right now, I'm treating Shiba like, you know, It is a hype play for me until it has a real basis behind what it can be used for. It's basically take your profits and then put them into something that's of real world use. You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, I love Shiba. I love what it's doing. It's bringing lots and lots of people to the cryptocurrency space, putting the light on it. Kind of what Doge did back in the beginning of the year. But my long-term play for the dog pounds will be DogeCoin all day, every day. But not to say you can't make money, though. We're going to make some tendies off of Shiba, guys. But other world news for Tom Brady says he gave Buccaneers fan a Bitcoin to repay him for giving up the ball for the 600th career touchdown pass. I wish I was that dude. He lost all his leverage when he gave the ball back. Yeah, so that was pretty cool. Tom Brady showing that love, giving out some Bitcoin. Where we at? Check out the link. Told it's a Discord since Discord was 23.7 and link and VChain. There you go, man. Yeah, Invo's been calling out them hot plays in the Discord, my friends. I'm gonna get your name wrong, dude, but I'm gonna give you a shout out anyway. Hey, Rod. Welcome to Mass Market, my dude. Thank you for tuning in, man. Hope you hit that subscribe button for us. This dude's calling out OCGN. Let's check it out, man. OCGN. DWAC was doing decent pre-market, but couldn't hold up for the rest of the day. Let's see. Up 12%. Cool. Up 38% after market. What did I miss at OCGN? What the hell did I miss here? Hold on. Let me see this. What's up, Chris Bugs? We got Chris Bugs back in the chat. Let me check out this OCGN. See what we missed. See if it might be a daily mover tomorrow, quite possibly. Today's investors in OCGN are seeing a very nice gains. Currently, shares of OCGN has moved more than 9% higher from the vaccine stock. Today's price action continues. Ah, okay. So vaccine play right here. Awesome, man. Definitely ripping doing his thing, man. If you were holding that thing beforehand, I'm not going to touch it, but I would hold it out and see what it does, man. It could absolutely keep going. 100%, my friend. But very nice looking chart, man. You can definitely tell anywhere within that range would have been still a good buy, around 11 bucks. And you can see it closed at 934. Just stepped this way up, and then a huge pump in the aftermarket all the way up to 12.95. I would look out the gate tomorrow morning. Possibly, you pretty much 12.94. If you don't get a break above this top, I would look to possibly hop out of this thing. It did have a pretty good run up, but if I would have to bet anything, this is going to break out pre-market and maybe have some sell off after the bell. Kind of the same thing DWAC did today. So just be careful with this stuff. Nonetheless, dude, if you were in that thing, good deal, my dude. Making them tendies, man. Just watch it. 12.95 in the morning. You're sitting there at 12.94. I think you get the break above this top here, and you keep pushing some tops even further up, man. So good stuff. Let me see this. DogeCoin. Put that chart back up, and I'll catch back up with the chat. Doge getting a little green pumping in off the 1 minute. So is Shiba. Is this your full-time job? Nah, man. I just stream at night. My dude. But thank you very much for tuning in to Matt's Market. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Join up with the family, man. We also got 100% free Discord. Pin to the top of the chat bar, my dude. We got the Litecoin Maxi in the house. What's up, clown baby? A special gift for the stream, CHZ. Y'all check it out. I'm gonna throw some as soon as this stream is over. I'm gonna post it in the Discord. I'm gonna pick up some CHZ and we're gonna ride that train together, my friends. Oh, Clown Baby, you missed it, huh? Got to throw some love to the Hut community, man. Up 17% today, dude. We've been sitting on this thing since $7, man. What can I say, man? What can we say? We broke that top right here, 1317 after market. Boy, Hut could do some pretty nasty things tomorrow if Bitcoin gets above 63 tonight. We're starting to push that top around, so a lot of these stocks are tipping right here. They're on that breaking point. This is either going to be a really good, solid play to bust through this 1350, or we're going to get rejected right here. So big day tomorrow on Hut 8 mining, guys. Make sure you're in the Discord. That way you get all the alerts whenever we go live. We talked about Hut since $7. Mr. Rick, you still in here? You still holding your Hut, my man? You could have been making some tendies with the gang, man. Let me see this. Pratham, how do I get to learn chart reading or get to know how crypto works, bro? You stick around here, man. You hit that little subscribe button for me with the notification bell. I stream every night at 8:30, man. Join that Discord link up above, man. You can always hit me up directly. I'm always available to any of y'all. Make sure you join that up, dude. Stick around, man. That's not one thing you can teach somebody in one night, but if you stick around with me, I promise you'll learn a ton, man. Clown Baby says I got Hut at $6.09. 609. So yeah, guys, on Hut tomorrow, look, this is either a tendy taking opportunity right here, or you're gonna absolutely rip through this 1350, and then no telling how high you're gonna go. You're sitting at an all-time freaking high right here on Hut 8 mining. Oh, I'm sorry, you were briefly below it. I thought we crushed it. 1319 was the high right there. I saw 1317 here, so you were sitting right below, pretty much at the all-time high. So if you get rejected right here, this would be a good place to take profits and possibly buy back in around $10, $11. I think 11 would be a safer play, because it might not go as low as $10 and then you miss this bounce. So definitely watch Hut 8 mining tomorrow straight out the gate. If you can wake up pre-market, that's what you need to be doing. Looking to possibly take tendies if you get a hard rejection, because you could bounce back to, you know, $12 range, $11.90, $12 range. I'd feel good about possibly exiting and then picking up some more shares right there. So Rick's saying, yep, I still have Hut. Rick, what price did you buy in at, if you don't mind me asking, man? Big Cadillac. Ack. What's happening, my dude? Yeah, Invu's saying if you want some help, he's here, free to ask, man. That's what it's about, man. Hut's going to rip. It's a monster. BTC 70K this week. Jasmine was doing his thing, man. Mr. Rick put us on that Jasmine. Got to show him some love for that, man. I was riding that Jasmine with him, but I'm out as of right now. Is up 40% on the day, man. Wow, I should have held it. I should have held it, Rick. I should have held it, man. That thing is ripping, my dude. Up 40.71% on a day. Still rocking, man. Sitting at an all-time high, it looks like. Nope. All-time high was back in 2021, February, $4. This thing still might have a long way to go, man. You were sitting at 10 cents. Definitely a good play to have, man. I might pick me up some more Jasmine if it pulls back just a little bit, just a hair, because you know I like to be cheap with my entries, man. But dude, Jasmine looking absolutely beautiful, guys. Jasmine at 12 cents on the day. Mr. Rick gave it to us. I made some pretty good tennies. I'm looking to get back in, man. I really am. Harmony 1. I think that was Pearl. Pearl, was that you preaching Harmony 1? That thing was moving nice today, up 14%. So definitely check out Harmony 1, guys. Very good crypto to be holding in your portfolio. It's very important to stay diverse, because it's just the way it is right now, man. Just the way it is. And I'm diverse with my crypto mining stocks to my Doge, you know, swing trading Shiba, you know, buying it whenever I can. You know, I have Ethereum, ADA, quite a few. So Rick was hopping in with us on HUD at $8.10. You know, he's sitting up almost. You'll get you 100%, man. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully HUD comes out the gate swinging and absolutely breaks through, man. Hopefully it does. I use the 200 MA and the 50 MA and the RSI as my indicators for chart reading. That's what I use, man. I also throw that 14 in there. That 14 can give you a microscopic bounce point, man. That's very important too, Clown Baby. I know you know what you're doing, man, but that's very good. That's what I use, man. I just throw that 14 in there, and I'm good. I'm good to go. Brave, thank you for hitting that subscribe button for us, my man. Really appreciate you. Thank you for joining Mass Market. If you need anything, my man, let me know. I watched a lot of videos and just read stuff online, gotten better by watching the charts and seeing how the price moves off these moving averages. Yeah, it's gonna get to a point here shortly, man, where you can throw these charts out the freaking window. When everything starts going, you don't know where it's gonna stop, man. It's not gonna be able to you're not gonna be able to do any TA on this stuff. One shot GT. That dude's coming in hot. He's creeping. He's creeping. What's happening, man? Clown Baby says I also look for them golden crosses. Them golden crosses to make some tendies. So there you go, guys. HUT. Be on the lookout tomorrow. A rejection point at 1350. Somewhere at that all-time high. You're gonna know a lot pre-market tomorrow. If you're holding these stocks, I would recommend waking up pre-market to see what happens. You can miss out on some pretty good tendies, so just beware. HUT, I think, is absolutely gonna crush it, just with the momentum it has today. But the MACD is starting to turn red right here, so just be careful with it. Just be careful. It always goes back to that 200 exponential, and you know, that holds true. It's always going to go back even after these runs. So just be careful. If you don't get the break, you're going back to 200, which is at 12, might be at 1215, 1220, somewhere within that range before it bounces back up. Might even dip below it. So just be careful with it, guys. Make sure you're paying attention tomorrow. Let's see. I'm holding HUT through December. It's a pretty good play, man. So DogeCoin off the 30-minute chart, looking pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty decent, and I know people are saying like, man, it's not doing anything. It just can't get over 27. Blah 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 blah. Look, man, DogeCoin chart on the 30-minute looks freaking good, dude. It looks like it's about to break out, and I think when it breaks out, you'll get above 28 cents and hold that level. Hopefully that happens this freaking weekend, guys. So that's what I'm hoping for. We need to get above 27, but we are gearing up right here. We're consolidating right below it. I think we're about to get that big move over 27, possibly over 28 once this thing breaks. You saw after that break of 27, there's not much in the way. As of right now with these wicks, you might catch some traffic around 27.50, but there's not much in the way. You saw how quick we busted up to 28 cents and then had that pullback, that healthy pullback, I would call this, accordingly. So don't feel bad about it. What's up, AC2? What's happening, my dude? Good to see you, man. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Mass Market, man. If you got any questions, let me know. Tesla was what a mover today, man. Teaming up with Hertz, they are currently buying 100,000 Teslas by 2022, I'm sorry. Sending Tesla to a 1 trillion market cap, up 12.66% on the freaking day, guys. Definitely a great day for Tesla. If you were a Tesla holder, you were smiling pretty big right here. Look at this move, dude. Look at this freaking move. That was 1021. 1025 right here. Straight out the gate, man. Pre-market. Boom. Just starts ripping, man. Made it all the way to $1,045. Probably going to look to consolidate within this range. You might have another, 4 or 5% today, tomorrow on Tesla. I do expect the shorts to bite on this pretty shortly. Shorts to bite pretty shortly. I do think the shorts might try to short this thing down from wherever it levels out at. If it keeps going tomorrow, who knows, man? But I do think they might start to play us down a little bit. So you might have some selling pressure, people taking profits. A lot of people hold Tesla is long term. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but Tesla looking great, my friends. Tesla is looking absolutely great. Let me see this. Where are we at? What's up, Mayor 199287? What's happening, my dude? Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us, man. Join up with the family. Coming in, showing some love, saying what's up. What's happening, my dude? Golden Cross coming in on Litecoin. Let's see Litecoin price right now, and then we'll pull up the charts, my man. 195 right there. Let's pull up the Litecoin chart real quick. Pull up that 4 hour, that magical 4 hour chart. So yeah, I got it back here on 1009, man. Let's see what you're looking at. Yeah, I don't really yeah, on the 5 minute you getting that little cross right there. Let's see a 30 minute. 30 minute, yep. That 1 hour you sitting above it, so you're looking at that 30 minute. I like to look at that 4 hour and see that cross. That's a solid cross right there, man. So it's still looking bullish, man. I still think you got some pumping room to grow. Just gonna take a little time to get there, my friend. Shiba pumping, looking very good. I don't even have ExpressVPN. I don't know why that stuff is popping up on my screen, man. Last big spike in September, I think it was 35. Yeah, it's coming, man. Doge is setting up for a good little run here, man. Don't let that consolidation fool you, man. That's some really nice consolidating right here. It's looking to break to the upside, man. I'd feel confident, throwing a good bit at it right where it's at, man. Just to be honest with you, I think it's about to move, man. So Shiba right here on the 5 minute did hit 4365. So it is having a little pullback, which is totally healthy. Almost bounced off that 200. Might have another little rip up tonight, guys. So we'll have to see. It could definitely be heading back to break the all-time high. So we'll have to see. Big rip and the 100x flex. That was a low cap coin. Hell yeah, one shot. Let's see. Doge looks ready to rip. Golden cross on the 4 hour chart. Next will be the daily and the weekly, or let's check out the weekly, man. I haven't checked out the weekly in quite some time. Let's go to daily. So on the daily, you had that 50 hook underneath it. And you see we're bouncing off the daily right there. Check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, you're looking way more bullish. The daily, not so much, man. Pretty much death cross on the daily. And you're getting rejected. But, dude, a move above all that could send it pretty much soaring back to, 31, 35. Man, that chart makes it seem like forever ago we hit 35 cents, man. But that's right here at this level, 45 cents. People are going to get excited about Doge again. A break above 45, there's not much in the way between that and 74, man. So we don't have much more to go before we absolutely get a real big technical breakout on Doge. And as we speak, getting some green candles pumping in. Let's see, please. Yep. My boy Bulldog testing out that redeem hot dog. Let's see if it works, my friend. See if OBS is still broken. My boy One Shot GT coming in hot with a $10 super sticker. Thank you, man. And this dude's going wild. He's going crazy. He's dropping two $10 super stickers back to back. Thank you, One Shot. Thank you, One Shot. Thank you, One Shot. Thank you, One Shot. Thank you for making that little kid dance on my screen, my dude. For showing that love. Dude's pumping some Bitcoin right now. I'm about to pull up that ASX coin for you, my dude. Give me a second. Check out AVAX, man. If I can type right now. Avalanche ripping, guys. We were talking about Avalanche at $55 the other night. So it was a pretty decent buy, sitting at $71 right now, up 8.41% on the day. Man, this thing is looking fire right now. Solana definitely still looking great, guys. We were talking about it yesterday at 200, up 4.67% on the day. Doge starting to get some green candles pumping into it. So let's see what happens. Possibly a playback to 26.75 for another retest of that level of resistance. I'm not going to pop that level. Just keep that in the back of your mind. That way you do know where it's at. I don't want to clog up the screen right here. But I can put it real quick. Let me put it. 2675 as of the short term. Let's see if we can get a retest right there. Shiba looking to pretty much came really close to bouncing off that 200. So looking for another little gain. Possibly back to 4225. And then that would be another retest point on Shiba to see if you get rejected for 4225. And then I can put 4 right here. 40050. So we'll put that channel right there. Kind of see where that takes us. You got pretty good ascending little support right here. Might be due for another little pullback. Maybe you get a little double bottom right here, but you have that 200 exponential moving up to that level of support, so you should not surprised you get that bounce right there. That 50 moving average is right under 200 on the daily chart for Litecoin, so golden cross incoming. Oh, I got you, man. Hell yeah. That AVAX, dude, that stuff is looking nice, man. Yeah, Alex, Doge is coming back to life, man. Definitely coming back to life. Let's check out ASX, man. ASX. One second. One Shot GT. That dude's going crazy with them super stickers. Thank you for them too. Back to back $5 super stickers, my friend. Thank you very much, man. I'm trying to get this chart pulled up real quick. Let's see if they got it right here. Nope. Man, I can't find the damn charts on this thing. Oh, might have found one. I don't like this one. So ASX crypto, let me see. I don't know why I'm not seeing the charts on it, my man. Let's see. One shot coming in hot once again. Dropping that $5 make you holla super sticker. Thank you, man. I can't find the ASX, man. I'm gonna have to do this on the after the fact and get back with you, man. I'm not seeing it. What's up, Link Past? Bro, I hope you got in on that pump. Doge GF, dude. What did it do today? Because I did not get in, man. Doge GF crypto. Check it out. Let's see how much it moved today. Dude, this thing is just non-stop. Up 32% on the day, man. Just no stopping in sight. I need to get on this. That's another one I'm going to look to get on right after the stream, man. Let me see. It's just that BNB stuff. I'm going to have to go to Uniswap. I'm going to pick me up some. It's not going to be an extreme amount, but I'm going to pick me up some. Because that thing, every time I look at it, it's up 30%. How much are you up right now, Link Past? Clown Baby says up 32% on Doge right now. I will send over the CHZ on Discord. Give me a minute. Let me close out some of these tabs real quick. CHZ crypto. So we got Chills up 7% on the day, 34 cents. That chart's looking mighty nice too as well. Is this an all-time high? Nope, all-time high is 80 cents. So Imbu, where do you think this thing is heading to, man? 34 cents here. Maybe all-time high, going retest that 80-cent range. The market cap on this thing. Market rank number 67 looks pretty good, man. 24-hour trading volume. Volume's definitely there. Price change is up. It's another Binance. How are you buying this, man? USDT. I bet you can swap it for KuCoin. I'm gonna have to check this out. CHZ. More math than my brain can handle. That dude Link passes up 800% on Doge GF. Good stuff, my friend. That's some definitely big gains, man. So you saying if you want a safe play, you can put your stop loss at 31 cents? So guys, check out the hot crypto plays in the Discord, man. He's been calling them. Invu's been dropping that love. Definitely don't want that to go unnoticed, man. Thanks for dropping all that love. Coinbase has it. There you go. Easy to pick it up. I didn't get the free CHZ, man. I missed out on it. Let me see if it's on there right now. I looked the other night though. All they had was let's see. Y'all don't have any I done did all the free ones. So yep, no free ones. I must have missed that one. I think we're heading back to 77 cents on CHZ. Hell yeah, man. Link Pass, you think you're about to do another 1000% on Doge GF? Dude, that's some parabolic gains, man. I'm gonna look to add some right after this stream, man. I'm gonna put, you know, a couple $100 in it, see what happens. We'll see what happens. But as of right now, Doge pretty much trading sideways, guys. Not too much happening with it. Shiba looking a little bit healthier tonight. Last night it was opposite. Shiba was not looking as great. Let me pop the RSI right here. Got the RSI. Let me throw that MACD. So on the price, 4184 on Shiba. DogeCoin 2650 right here. Solana doing its thing, looking really good, man. I think Solana's gearing up for another little run up. It's gonna break that all-time high this week. Solana absolutely moving. It could break it tomorrow if you have another decent day like today. Cardano, check it out, 218. Definitely moved since we started the live stream. And AVAX, guys, one shot been throwing us that AVAX. I was hopping in around 57 bucks. It was 55 the other night. You could have hopped in, been up quite a bit, but 8.5% on the day on your AVAX. And that is Avalanche, guys. About to drop some dough is the word on the street. XRP is doing a lot better. Let's see if it moved up a little bit from where it was at. That's not it. I wish that was it. XRP 111 up 2% on the day. Avalanche, throw that back up there. So yeah, XRP is just doing its thing until the lawsuit comes up, guys. We all know what's going to happen when that happens. So there was a rumor from some crypto site that Robinhood is going to list sheep tonight. There was a rumor from some crypto site. I don't know, man. That's definitely another catalyst. If Robinhood would just sneakily come out and just post it onto his platform, and then everybody just find out, the price would go parabolic, of course. I don't like those types of moves, those parabolic moves. You see a pretty good pullback from those after they hit those tops. But if you're in it, you can make really good money. We'll see, man. We'll definitely see. Quaint Mamie also going to FOMO into Doge GF. Yeah, it's probably not true, clown. Anything could happen, dude. Maybe it's Robinhood, like you said, maybe it's Robinhood buying up Shiba right now because they're going to list it, which led to that all-time high price. Who knows, man? me see. QU. Quaint Mamie invested 40 Ethereum into DogeCoin GF today. I see you, man. Robinhood definitely been part of the recent pump, buying up, yep, to get on their platform. They need to bring back that Mexican pizza, Mr. Seth. That's what they need to do, man. Invu, can you open up the CHC charts? Yeah, my dude. So that is the year-to-date chart right here. Currently trading 34 cents, up 7% on the day. Let's go to monthly. Definitely had a big pump beginning of October. It's been pumping ever since October. So definitely in line with the rest of the cryptocurrencies. I sold the little Shiba I had already. Really didn't care either way. Yeah, it's going to pump a little bit, Clown Baby. Especially with the Robinhood news. You know, pretty good sign is showing support at 4000. So Uniswap for Doge GF. That's what I'm. Let's let Link Pass confirm that, because I'm about to hop in there after the stream and look to pick some up. I'll ride it for a little bit. So CHZ on the day. Let's look at the 7-day. Yeah, so it's pumping over the past week. And this is the past day. So, yeah, it looks good. Hit a high of 34.51 on the day. So not too far off from that all-time high. Definitely be ready to go again. So what Invu was saying, he would feel comfortable if he was playing this to have a stop loss set at 31 cents and then see where we go from here. So I feel comfortable with it, man. I'll look to pick me up some off of Coinbase here after the stream too as well. Tom Brady gave a Bitcoin to a fan that returned it. Yep, I saw that, man. That was pretty cool of him. I saw the tweets on the page too. They were like, dude, you just gave up all your leverage. All your freaking leverage. So that was pretty cool, man. Really, really cool. So we got Bitcoin 62,681, guys. Hit a high of 63, a little over 63 and a half today. Looking really good. We said if we got that close on the weekly above 60, it can move up pretty good. That's what it did. So I'm happy to see that. Ethereum moving up too as well with that close over 41 on the weekly, all the way to 42.29. So definitely looking good. AVAX, one of the big gainers of the day. We've been calling out since 55. Thank you, One Shot. Tom Brady loves Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure he's stacking some Bitcoin. FTM running. Don't tell me that, man. No. I still didn't get in yet. I still did not buy in yet, guys. That upsets me. Phantom up 13.32% on a day, man. I missed that pump, dude. That's what happens, though, when you're being greedy. I missed the pump. We called it out the past week. I said, guys, I need to get some FTM. Things moving, man. Probably not done for the year either, guys. So FTM, have that on your radar. Have it on your watch list. Make sure you are looking at it. Do some pretty good things for the year. Let's check out DWAC, man. DWAC, we called it. It did good in the pre-market, but after the market opened, it kind of fell out, man. So down 10% on the day, came right back up 6.14% in the aftermarket, back to 89 bucks. So what's this thing gonna do, man? Is the volume gonna show up? Is retail gonna show up? Last time we were within this range, we dipped a little bit lower. We didn't quite have this little flat line like we're having here, and then we bounced all the way back to 121. So remember the bouncy ball effect, not as high. Might head up to 102 again. Might hit that tomorrow. We'll just have to see. You have to watch for the volume to see if everything's stepping into the markets, man. BENE. I want to see what that did as well. A lot of these stocks started selling off right after market open. So BENE up 4.96%, up 8% after market. So really good day on BENE. Thank you, Bear, for throwing this out there to us. We caught it on Friday, made some pretty good tendies. You could have made some more tendies on it too as well today. Oh, since you're on vet, you're gonna follow it, the FTM. I know, man. I really wanted to get in on FTM. I'm still gonna do it. ICP coins only $50. I remember when it was $7.50. Sandbox, that was another good one, man. Let me throw this up there. AVAX. Hey, I'm happy with that Avalanche play one shot, man. We're making some tendies on that thing, man. Sandbox. See it. Let's check it out. Sandbox up over 6.5% on a day. Look at this thing, man. One shot. I think you were calling it back here, dude. Oh, that's the daily. Hold on. Yeah, dude, you were definitely talking about this a couple weeks ago. We might have been within this range around 72 cents, man. That's a good play, man. The lowest out the past month you could have picked it up for was 68 cents. Ben Cadillac. That's a jug of low price. Dude coming in with the dude got the jokes, man. Dude got the jokes. GRT undervalued even after recent pump. Let's see what that did. GRT. Check out the graph. The graph coin. Thing's pretty violent. If you can catch it on these rips, man, you can make decent. That's like a swing trader's paradise, man. Sell the rips. I would like to see how TradingView labels this. Buy, sell, buy, sell. You know what I'm saying? I want to check it out on TradingView. I'm gonna get TradingView for us, guys. I did download it. I just got to get familiar with the charts. Clown baby, your GRT, you damn right, it's undervalued. Let me see. So 269 all-time high of the year. Is that the all-time high? Looking like it. Let's see this. Imbu says it's gonna break 150 hopefully soon on the graph coin. Clown baby, you got some graph? All right, let's pop back up the Doge real quick. See what that's doing. Working his way back, trying to get this 2680 retest, guys. She working his way back up to 4225. Look for a possible retest. All right, guys, give me a few seconds. I'm gonna go grab me another cup of water. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes. All right, guys. Sorry about that. What's up, Robert Dean? How you doing tonight, man? We're just chilling, man, watching some crypto charts. And Hussein, if you're looking for entry soon, don't sleep on CHZ. Like I said, my man, I'm going to be picking me up some as soon as I hop off the stream. And I will set my stop loss at 31 cents, man. I ride it with you. Guys, if you got Coinbase, make sure you get Coinbase Pro. I mean, you still got you get the stop losses and a few other perks. So if you got Coinbase, make sure you get the Coinbase Pro. Definitely worth it if you're trading on Coinbase. So let me pull this up real quick. So we got an article saying Bitcoin ETFs can help improve crypto accounting. Let's see what this has to talk about. I was looking for that article about Ethereum. We got the upgrade coming on the 27th. Lots of bullish momentum going on with Ethereum right now. So Ethereum price provides one last buying opportunity before exploding to 5,200. Ethereum's price has breached a crucial level, indicating a start of a run-up to new all-time highs, guys. However, Ethereum is consolidating, gathering steam for the next leg that propels it even higher. Ethereum price to restart its rally. Ethereum's price set up multiple lower lows between September 3rd and September 24th. However, what followed next was a series of higher lows, and the price action resembled a rebound bottom pattern, which forecasts a 31% ascent to the $5,245 range, determined by adding the depth and rebounding bottom to a breakout point at $3,989, which we are well over right now. So far, Ethereum has breached this barrier and has rallied 6% to where we currently consolidates. While theoretically the uptrend has already begun, a potential spike in buying pressure needs to push Ethereum past its all-time high at $4,387. What we're currently waiting for, guys. We're trading right underneath it. It could happen any day now. We're just currently waiting for that push. This move will confirm that the buyers are in control and propel Ethereum to that 161.8% trend-based Fibonacci extension at the $4,849 level. Beyond this point, the theoretical target at 5,245, aka new all-time high, awaits Ether. In some cases, Ethereum price might overextend and reach a level of 5,765, constituting a 35% advance from the current position. Do think that's very possible, man. We have the biggest upgrade coming this week, guys. Let's see when the 27th is. It is Wednesday, so it's probably going to be midday. I might leave the stream up on Wednesday just to kind of catch it, but Ethereum should really start climbing here shortly, guys. We're not far underneath the all-time high. Same thing with Bitcoin. I do think this week we'll start crushing some prices. Get DogeCoin moving, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA 219. ADA is creeping up. We started the stream, it was 215. So it's definitely looking a lot better here as of short. Let's see what else they have to say about it. See. Donald Trump Ethereum on sale for 200. NFT on sale for 240 Ethereum. NFT featuring former President Donald Trump is helping draw Wall Street attention to the small digital content company from New Jersey. Shares of Create D shot up more than 30% on Monday to about $5.50, only hours after the company announced it's selling a Trump NFT for 240 Ethereum, or just over 1 million based on the latest price of the cryptocurrency. Let's see what it is. They don't tell us what it is. Create D's market splash comes just days after the stock price of Trump's new social media venture also soared. So they basically trying to ride the hype off of DWAC by selling some NFTs right here. 240 to be exact for a Trump NFT. No, that's not what I want. Baby back rib coins. Let's see this. So Ethereum's upgrade is finally coming. Will it overtake Bitcoin? This upgrade is a vital step towards a much greener and faster version of the current system. The world's second most valuable cryptocurrency, Ether, has been touching all-time highs in the price ahead of a major upgrade of its underlying platform. Ethereum Ether is currently worth just shy of 500 billion market cap. That is still slightly less than half of that of the biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. But could this upgrade, a vital step towards a much greener and faster version of the current system, put Ethereum on path to become the dominant platform token on the internet to make Ether number one? There's talks. There's a lot of bulls saying, hey, Ether could overtake Bitcoin very briefly this year. I don't know if that happens, but we'll have to see. What's up, NS? How you doing, man? First of all, it's important to understand the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is a system for allowing people to send value between one another without the needs for banks. It's built on a technology known as blockchains, which are online ledgers, which transactions are checked and recorded by decentralized networks of computers known as validators. These validators are incentivized for their work by receiving newly minted Bitcoin as reward, is what is known as mining. To make this more attractive, Bitcoin is relatively scarce. Only around 18 million coins are in existence, and the protocol is such that there can never be more than 21 million. Ether works in a similar way to Bitcoin, but Ethereum is different, and it is a worldwide software program with no host, on which developers are building thousands of blockchains-based applications. This means these applications can run without being controlled by a company. Examples include cryptocurrency exchanges, insurance systems, and new kinds of gaming. At the heart of the platform is the idea of smart contracts, which are automated agreements that ensure that money and assets change hands with certain conditions having been fulfilled. So all transactions on the platform ultimately use Ether, and the success of the platform is why Ether has been the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin for the past few years. The fact that Ether fuels the platform, even being referred to as gas fees, gives it utility and is intrinsic value that Bitcoin does not have. Goes on to talk about Ethereum 2.0. Ether has several major problems. However, the first is the gas fees, which we all know about. Really expensive, guys. In the last couple of years, because the network has become so popular and therefore very congested, validators prioritize users who are willing to pay the highest fees for their transactions. For example, the average transaction at the time of this writing on crypto exchange Uniswap cost around $44 in gas fees, which is a lot, guys, for the retail. Definitely a lot. Bitcoin has comparable issues with congestion, which is developers are trying to solve by building applications like Lightning on top of the boost faster transaction speeds. The second problem for Ethereum is that it has become more popular. The amount of computer power used by validators has rocketed, and the same problem has brought a lot of negative attention to Bitcoin because it uses a lot of electricity. Bitcoin is currently using as much power as the whole country of the Philippines, although its supporters argue that much of this power would otherwise be wasted. For example, oil rigs burning off natural gas because it's not profitable to sell it. Proponents also point out that the network is shifting towards using a much more renewable power source over time. At the rate, the eventual creation of Ethereum 2.0 will solve these problems by moving the platform's system of validation from proof of work to proof of stake. Without getting into too many details, proof of work is a protocol in which validators all attempt to solve complex equations to prove that each proposed transaction is valid. With proof of stake, basically there's no need for all the validators to do this power-hungry work because the system chooses one at random to confirm each transaction. So it's gonna be really good for Ethereum, guys. Really hot. Either way, Ethereum 2.0 promises to reduce the platform's power consumption by 99.9%, making it far more sustainable. It should also solve the problem with gas fees by raising the platform's processing ability from 30 transactions a second to potentially 100,000, as well as making possible more sophisticated smart contracts than ever before. So this is all the start, guys. It's going to start kicking off here on the 27th. Major upgrade on Ethereum. Cannot wait to see it, man. Things should start to heat up in the crypto space very shortly. Roger, gas fees suck. Missed so many winning coins because of gas. That's it, my man. That is how it goes, dude. That is how it goes, my man. Sorry, let me turn this off. My phone's going off. So, guys, as of tonight, AVAX is absolutely killing it, up 7.27%. Ethereum is working its way back to that all-time high, $4,385. We're not far from it. A little shy of $100 away from it. ADA slowly creeping back up. I'm surprised, actually. ADA's been trading around 215 to 208, so good to see it above 215, sitting at 218 right now. Shiba getting rejected right here, working its way back down, looking for a pretty good little bounce right here, probably at 4120. Bitcoin pretty much sideways on the day, 62.5, just above it. Solana, another big mover of the day, 207. Very hot play on Solana right now. I still think you'll double your money on Solana this year, guys. And of course, DogeCoin consolidating heavily. Just looking for no leg up right now. OG Kush and crypto. That's it, man. That is it, my friend. So I can't wait for Wednesday. I'm super stoked. I think it's going to bring a lot of great attention toward Ethereum. So if you are holding Ethereum, lots of talks about 5,000 incoming. I do think it'll start to bust some new all-time highs, which will potentially put Bitcoin above 70K too as well. I think it's going to move with it. And then, we're not there yet. All coins aren't moving yet. Shiba, of course, doing its thing. Avalanche. A lot of these small name cryptos a lot of people never heard of are moving. So just got to be careful in the markets right now, guys. Can you explain these wrapped coins? Let me give you a few examples. So a wrapped coin is a crypto coin that is connected to a value of another coin, but exists on a different blockchain. Usually one coin gets wrapped by creating a version of it on another blockchain and pegging it to the original coin. When a wrapped coin gets minted, the original coin gets locked away. Let me give you a few examples. Wrapped Bitcoin. Hold on. This one's pretty funny. Wrapped Bitcoin brings new liquidity potential to cryptocurrency. I don't ever look too much into them wrapped coins, man. I'm trying to find you a decent example. Wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped Luna. Wrapped Bitcoin versus Bitcoin. What's the difference? The fundamental difference between Bitcoin and wrapped Bitcoin is that wrapped Bitcoin is a token version of Bitcoin compatible with the Ethereum network. Every wrapped Bitcoin is backed by one Bitcoin. This means that the price for both cryptocurrencies should be the same. I don't like the idea, man. It could bring more liquidity to the market, of course, like they were saying. It's definitely a thing, though, so it will probably be around to stay. So I'd rather just buy out Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Clown baby means you get wrapped up in it forever. Don't get wrapped. Just buy your cryptocurrency outright, man. So guys, not too much going on in markets tonight. Everything's sideways. I'm gearing up for Ethereum upgrade on the 27th. I think it's going to be pretty huge for everything. I cannot wait. Cedric, it's mainly just a thing that's gonna, if all the Bitcoin are bought out, you'll be able to buy wrapped Bitcoin, which is backed by another Bitcoin, which I don't like the whole idea, man. Wrap coins are great, make them interchangeable. Give me some wrapped Ethereum and we'll talk. Cedric, you holding some Ethereum or what, man? I have some Ethereum around 22 right now, so I'm sitting tight on it. Just waiting for it to do its thing, man. Oh, cool. Sherlock joined the Discord. Awesome, man. Who's Swiper? Got another one joined the Discord. Who's Swiper in here? I think Bitcoin breaks above 65K tomorrow. Hey, we'll see tomorrow night, Clown Baby. I'm hoping Bitcoin does do its thing, start moving up. Tomorrow could be a good day to have a green day, especially because we're holding HUD 8 mining. Oh, there's less than the wrapped than the originals. Awesome. GM. Thank you for coming up and dropping some love. Hope you decide to hit that subscribe button for us. Join the channel. I'll be on the camera tomorrow night. If you're wondering why no one's on the cam, I'm just chilling tonight. But thanks for coming up, showing some love, GM. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. Join the family. We'd love to have you. We got a free link to the Discord pinned up above. Average cost on my Ethereum is $27.43. You're sitting up beautiful, man. Good stuff, Clown Baby. I'm sick over Ethereum. Sold at 3K and bought into Doge. Yeah, man. See, I'm not. The only thing I'm really doing, I'll move some sheep tendies around. You know, buy some Doge, buy some other stuff. Mainly, like if I'm up on a play, I'll take some tendies off the top to do it. I won't exit a whole play. Like Ethereum, I'm still holding. I've been holding for a long time. I would hang on to it, man. I'm sorry you did that and you're sitting down right now. But Doge is going to do its thing this year. You know, just Shiba's taking attention away from Doge. Shiba is basically doing what Doge did in the beginning of the last bull run we saw in the beginning of the year. So, but Shiba still had his time last bull run. So Doge will have his time again. It's going to rip up. Done. Thank you. Nah, thank you, GM. Really, really appreciate you, my friend. Thank you very much for joining the family over here at Mass Market, man. If you ever need anything, let me know. Ben Cadillac says, I still got my Ethereum from March, $1,760. That's a funny number, man, because I bought a couple that day. It had flash crash. I think that's the same day. We were probably buying the same time. I picked up that purchase for $1,760 on Ethereum. I mean, on Robinhood, I'm sorry. That was the only platform that would let me buy after that first big crash on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That was when Doge was hitting, 16 cents. So Ryan says, I really need XRP to rock it. I want to scale some. Just paid off my Jeep. Put 3 new tires on it. Bought a Cuban 2061G gold chain. Plus going on vacation for 5 months at the end of the week. Pump, baby, pump. It's going to take a little while for XRP, man. I'm sorry to tell you that. It's just my personal opinion. I'm loading the boat on it. When XRP goes to go, though, it's going to do some parabolic stuff, man. Clown Baby says Doge back to 40 in November. I hope so, man. Who's Francisco Layboy? Thank you, Francisco. for joining Mass Market, man. Every subby helps, man. Really appreciate the love, man. Me too. Ethereum have 1647, dude. That's a awesome freaking price, man. Especially if we start seeing that 10,000 level, man, you can be happy. Be a happy camper, dude. Sitting on, you know, possibly 6 times your money, dude. Cannot wait for it, man. Robert Dean showing that love, man. What's up, Francisco? Thanks for coming up, man. Appreciate you hitting that sub button, man. Are you from Puerto Rico? Cool, man. I'm from Louisiana. Make sure you join the free Discord pinned up above, man. If you ever need anything. Lose your money on the market sucks. Some stocks have been hot lately, man. I'm mainly just playing the crypto space, man. That's where it's at right now. That is where it's at. But yeah, man, I appreciate you tuning in, man. Hey, Ryan Sherlock, go try to have you a good vacation, man. Try not to stress yourself out about it, man. You'll be just fine, man. I'm telling you. You got 2 real decent plays, man. Invu saying, just told my brother to buy a CHZ. Is he doing it? Is he FOMOing in? Who that? That's it, brother. That's it, my man. Yeah, if you're big into crypto, Francisco, man, we stream, you know, pretty much every night as of right now. Every night during the week. 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Cedric Norman, what platform you trading on, man? He bought it. That's what that big pump on the screen was from, huh? You gonna see a pump here after the stream. Guys, super surprised to see Shiba had rebounce, man. Especially, you know, it saw it drop quite a bit after Elon came out and said, you know, I'm not owning any. It just shows that Shiba doesn't need them, you know, and it's got its own value. It's got its own backers. No real big person influencer, but it is moving. It is working its way back up to an all-time high. I think a lot of that has to do with the Robinhood pump. That's it, clown baby. If BTC is up tomorrow, watch out for HUT. HUT's gonna break that. Do you 2 cents off the all-time high for HUT 8. I can't wait for it, man. CBP, Coinbase Pro, I got you. Yeah, just try to work on it, man. You know, if you swing trade and stuff, make sure you have your stop losses set. That way you don't get burned. You know, while you sleep, man. That's the whole point of them. You'll get better at it, especially if you swing trade in Shiba. As of right now, I think it can go a lot higher, but I'm setting stop losses whenever I can, man. Because when it comes back down, you know, when you're sleeping, you end up at 32 in the morning. That's not a good feeling. Francisco, we own a renewable energy company and are looking for interesting energy blockchain platforms to apply to our project. Any pointers or suggestions? Like, what do y'all got going on now, man? Energy renewable company. Renewable energy company. Like, how are y'all doing that? Like, I'll tell you what, man, if you want to join the Discord and hit me up, dude, yeah, I got some ideas for you. I'm always available 24/7 in the Discord, my dude. They got a bunch of them, dude. They got Bit Green. They got Solar Coin. Cardano, man. I don't know if you're into Cardano, but definitely I would have to go with ADA, Stellar, even Nano, man. I tried trading and lost 30% when everything was going up. I'm a hodler now. What you were buying, GM? Let's see this. Awesome, Francisco. Appreciate that, man. Cedric says you sound like my day-to-day. Hey, man, Invu's been hot on those crypto plays in the Discord, guys. Make sure you're checking them out. Man, I bought everything. Yeah, you sound like us, man. We've been buying these cryptos at really low prices, though, man. We've made it through the dips for the past 4 months, and a lot of us are sitting up right now, man. So stick around, man. We'll make some tendies together, I promise. Yeah, when you hop from coin to coin, trying to catch it, you get burned, man. You get wrecked. If you have a decent play, like if you have a decent crypto trade, just hang on to it, man. It's gonna do its thing eventually. Like we called Solana a couple months ago at 67. Look, it's at 208, man. I didn't jump around. I just put what I could in it, and I'm sitting up nice. Best thing to do most times for new investors and even people that are experienced is just buy and hold, man. You never know what it's gonna do. Nah, thank you, Invu. Appreciate you running that for us, man. I need to be more active in there. Plus, we need to have a Discord meeting. So I got that coming, man. I didn't put out the notification because I couldn't do it tonight, but it is coming. Now, cheers to you, GM. Appreciate you, man. Oh, man. Oh, I see you in there, Cisco. See you in the Discord, my friend. Yeah, I got BTC and 12 big altcoins now, and I'm happy to hold. Well, you got BTC and 12 big altcoins. The big altcoins are the ones you want to play, man. You know, it's really, really shady when you start buying a lot of these unknown names, man. Robert Dean says, I'm learning to buy and hold. It's till it's in the profits and buy in really early and hold it forever. There will be a point, Robert Dean, though, you'll learn very quick in the crypto market. When the bear market hits, you're going to want to take profits before. That's very important. Why, you know, if you are rocking with me, there's going to be a time that comes where we're going to have to take profits, man. And I'm going to do my best to absolutely time the top. Why it's really, really hard to time it. You know, there's a time period between now and 6 months where everything's gonna, you know, drop probably 80%. That's not to say it won't be a lot higher. You know, Bitcoin could be crushing 150, 200K by that time before it drops 80%. So we'll have to pay very close attention to it, man, and just keep monitoring it like we are. You know, we come on every night here and stream. While there's not a whole lot to talk about, kind of helps people just kind of hold on to their reasons why they hopped in the market. You know, they hopped into a certain crypto, and you know they're feeling kind of bad about it. You know, like Doge hasn't been doing nothing, but you know we hop on here and talk about it, keep people convicted, because DogeCoin will start to move again, guys. It will, man. I mean, look at Shiba, what it's doing. It's just still in the show out the dog pound right now. So that's what we're here for, guys, to help you along your way, make you a better trader. Clown Baby says just buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin if you're new. Yeah, when I'm jumping, I lose some, win some. It's 50-50, man. Toss of a hat. DCA also. In the beginning, all the coins are allergic to my jumping around. They immediately tank. Then I realized we were in a bear market. So when you hopped in, Cedric, was it 4 years ago? Ooh, Clown Baby. Invu, Clown Baby is now your best friend. Litecoin is undervalued. It's under 1K in my opinion. We'll see 1K Litecoin, guys. It's coming. You'll see it. Litecoin doesn't get the love it's due, you know. And the only thing that really hurt it, I think, was the Walmart news as of late, man. That just seems like something Walmart would have done, you know, like, hey, we're going to go with Litecoin. Screw Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that stuff. We're going to go with Litecoin. But news turned out to be fake. And we move on. We came through a lot the past, couple months, guys. All the China FUD, U.S., regulating crypto, all the bad news, man. To be sitting at these all-time highs, not done for the year, man. We're gonna make some pretty good tendies this year. Can't go wrong with long-term BTC, LTC, and Ethereum. No, you can't, man. Just that September rundown. That's, yeah. October, Pumptober is in full action, guys. It's looking pretty good, man. I'm happy it's back. September is historically horrible for crypto. May too. May's not too hot, so I got the term sell in May and walk away. So we'll be keeping track of it. Might be coming up this May. It might be the bear market. It's going to happen. I think it'll be beginning of next year. Some people think 6 months, some 8 months. But one thing I can tell you, I do believe Ethereum, Bitcoin, all these coins on top of the screen will be a lot higher than what you're looking at. And it's going to take some time, man. It's going to take some time. But if you believe in what you invested in, it will make some pretty good tennies. That is the daily chart right here on Doge. We're just waiting for a breakout, guys. I don't know why it's going to be stubborn. Waiting for a breakout right here. And then there's not too much in the way. You got some tops in here, 29. Once you get past 35, dude, I mean, that's a game changer. And we're working our way back to 35, I believe. So, and that's just on Doge. Lots and lots of great plays out there. Yeah, September was rough, dude. Especially for like small crypto streamers like myself, man. It was definitely a rough time, man. We had just came off a period of 3 months of buy the dip, and stuff started to heat up in August, and then we just crashed out in September. It was pretty crappy, man. But we'll still be here. We're not going anywhere. Whether it's dipping or ripping, we'll be reporting it, man. Robert Dean says, I'm holding Sheeb. If it hits 10 cents, I'm paying off my house. For you, Mr. Robert Dean, I hope they come up with a plan to formulate it to 10 cents, my friend. Hey, man, you never know. Shiba could 100% erase another zero off of it this year. That is not out the question. Not at all out the question. So if you're holding it, great. I'm swing trading it for the most part, but I will look to hold some long term. Definitely. What's up, Trini? Shiba to the moon. Thanks for tuning in, Trini. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, Shiba's definitely surprised me hopping back above 4000. I think he still has a lot more room to grow. Yeah, Clown Baby, we got hyped off some little green candles, man. That's exactly what the bear market feels like, dude. Exactly. Trinity's saying 1 penny by January. Invu says financial advice: keep your US dollar and USDC. USDT is good, but you got to make sure you're 100% safe. That's it, man. Appreciate you looking out. Robert Dean says I bought DogeCoin at 7 cents, $200, cashed out at 3K all day, man. What makes it so bad? My first trades were on July 21st, the end of that run down from May. Everything was pumping and I knew nothing. I was like, this is just too easy. Hey, just hang tight, man. You'll learn your way around the markets. Hello, same thing, Cedric. I started out into May, right at the bottom. Didn't know anything. Hey, but you know what, guys? Cedric, GM, all you, everybody out there, y'all are still here. That's what matters the most. And you recognize the potential. And when you learn the market, you can be a damn good trader and you can make a lot of freaking tendies, man. Mark my word on that. Robert says if Shiba hits 7, I'm retiring. Screw this job. You can take this job and shove it. What's up, Todd? Todd R in the chat. Thanks for dropping by, showing some love, man. $150 million sheep and got money waiting to clear. Gonna keep on buying until it's too expensive. I think he heading back to that 4 or 5 range, in my opinion. That's a pretty good little bag, though, of Shiba you holding right there, Trini. Best of luck to you. You know, when Bitcoin goes to go, Shiba's going to go, Doge is going to go. All these altcoins are going to move. Shiba's been doing its own thing, so Shiba will probably end up breaking that 4 or 5, that all-time high. So give it some time. We just broke that all-time high the other night. Give it some time to chill out, get comfortable above 4 zeros. And then when Robinhood comes out, which is all speculation right now, guys. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but the speculation word on the street is people believe Robinhood is going to list Shiba, which could possibly be the reason behind the major pump we're seeing. They're buying up Shiba. Either way, I think it's inevitable. It will get listed. I'm still holding 4,000 Doge. It's house money. We'll see what it does. Hey, Trini, you cannot go wrong playing on house money. 100%. Every little green candle in September was like, oh, here it goes. Yeah, that's what a bear market feels like, Clown Baby. Most definitely, man. Robert Dean saying 150 million sheep to the moon, baby. Invu saying, Robert Dean, if you've been in Discord, if you follow hot crypto plays, I will let you retire. Mark my words. Check him out, dude. Invu's been calling some hot plays, man. Most of them are up 90% from when he called them. Trini saying, I think it'll break 5 by the morning. It would take quite a bit, but anything's possible if it could really start moving. The charts are about to reset here in about 5 minutes. So we'll see how the start of the new day is going to treat crypto. I blame ADA for the majority of my woes. Oh, Cedric, you weren't buying ADA at $3, huh? What price you got in on ADA, man? Yeah, check him out, Robert Dean. He's making some good calls in there, man. Holding down the fort in the Discord for everybody. Making some decent calls, man. Baby back rib coins to the moon. I cashed out profits on ADA and put them in the Shiba as soon as I got it on Coinbase. Cashed out ADA over $3. Good call because ADA had. Oh man, if you cashed out on ADA above $3, you made an excellent call. Absolutely beautiful call. I have not been in that room, mostly main chat. Yeah, check it out, Robert Dean. Make sure to check it out, bro. Give it a try, man. I'm gonna hop out and buy some CHZ on Coinbase tonight. I'm gonna rock with it. Put a stop loss with my Coinbase Pro at 31 cents and let it ride, man. So as of right now, 2644 on Doge, Solana 208, still looking pretty good, up $8 since last night. Bitcoin looking for another leg up, got the close above 60K on the weekly last night, shot it up to 63K just like we thought. Shiba above 4000, looking pretty good. ADA working its way back up. I do think ADA is due for a $3 retest coming up. Will it be possibly first week in November? Let's get Pump Vember. We're gonna get something going with it. Pump November. We want this thing to continue ripping and rocking. We got Ethereum approaching all-time highs, guys. It is coming. We're not far from it. I can't wait. I think you'll be seeing 5,000 Ethereum at some point toward the end of November. I think it's gonna really start to heat up in November. AVAX up 6.75% thanks to One Shot GT. Got me in on AVAX and I am up quite a bit. I was buying at 55 and it's currently at 70. Actually 57. Let me correct that. I was buying AVAX at 57. At 70, it hit 55 the other night, and I was telling people that's possible loading zone. You're sitting at $70 right now. I'm most proud of my Solana call. When we were calling Solana at $67, that was one of the best calls I made as of recent. Okay, I got you. You were in and out of ADA, but not for $3. I got you, man. Pretty big doji candle right there on Doge, sending it all the way to 2657 right here. We got 25 likes. Let's smash it. Let's go to 30. Hey, thanks, Robert Dean. Clown Baby says BITF 12 to 15. He's trying to triple that play on BITF by the end of the year. I think he just might do it. I just think he might do it. We'll be seeing Bitcoin way higher. We got to start coming up with a slogan for Pump November. Something that sounds tight. We'll get it trending on Twitter. Let's say Robert Dean, Solana is another world of its own. I don't think it's done, man. I think you'll be seeing 600. I remember seeing Ethereum at $200. Solana, $200. It's possible, man. Solana has a game changer of its own, man. People love it. It's cheap over there. The only thing I could see really killing Solana is the Ethereum 2.0, really taking steam from it. So even Cardano still hasn't matured yet from everything. So we'll see what happens from the release of smart contracts. So if ADA starts to gain some steam, that could take away from Solana as well. So we'll see what tomorrow holds for us. Hopefully we'll have Bitcoin ripping and rocking. We got HUT, guys. HUT 8 mining. Make sure you're watching it. It is 2 cents off its all-time high. We've been buying it at $7. Tomorrow is a big day for it. If we get a hard rejection, you could possibly buy back in a little bit cheaper. So I will be looking tomorrow to possibly take tendies if I see a big rejection out the gate. But it's definitely possible that that thing could rocket straight out a pre-market. Get a bust and start making some all new time highs, which it might hit 1350. I'm seeing 1350 as a range for a possible rejection point. Maybe buy back in a little bit lower, but I think Bitcoin will start working its way back up, crossing 64 possibly tomorrow, guys. So I'm really hoping tomorrow is going to be a decent update for the entire crypto market. Robinhood needs to hurry up with Sheep. Yeah, still no word yet. It's all speculation. I know people who will only use Robinhood. I don't know why. I guess because it's easy. It needs to pick up Sheeb like yesterday. Yeah, it's. I don't know. I like owning my crypto, and you just don't until the wallets come out. I mean, Robinhood's coming with the wallets, but it's just not quick enough. Solana to 500, BTC to 100K. Doge will hit $1 in no time. Who's in here? Who just dropped me a super chat? My boy Adam E, the Kentucky Wildcat. What's up, man? We're just in here chilling, my dude. Thanks for dropping by, showing some love, man. Good to see you, my brother. Going over 14 if BTC is up tomorrow, I think. Hey, if we wake up above 63 on Bitcoin, yeah, we could possibly break 14. 14 is gonna be pretty huge for HUT. I'm seeing 1350 to 1375. So we'll see. We'll see what happens by tomorrow, guys. If Bitcoin rips tonight, does a little gets a little price action going up. The charts haven't been resetting on Webull. They usually reset my time around 11 o'clock. So I wonder why. That's weird. Really weird. Robert Dean, Adam E crashing the stream. Showing some love with that $10 super sticker. Thank you, Adam E. Absolutely loved your show the other night, man. If y'all guys don't know Adam E, he's a brand new broadcaster for Bulldog Trading. Check him out. I think he got a show Wednesday and Thursday. I'll definitely be in there returning the love, my friend. Anybody call Robinhood support yet? No, but I emailed them for SNL. That was some BS, man. Putting a buy order when I saw everything falling out on Doge. And then all the platforms completely crashed out on a dip. Yeah, I see a lot of people talking about Hive, man. I never played it, though. Never quite played it, my friend. So, I think Ethereum all-time high. Very, very close, guys. Solana all-time high. Those two are probably going to be the next two busting those all-time highs. Let's see the all-time high on AVAX. That could be a big mover. Let me pull this up. AVAX. That's Avalanche, everybody. Go to the 4-hour chart. So all I can see back on Webull is 79.56. So, man, I'm gonna have to check that coin codex that OMG dropped me. Let me see. Let me check Avalanche. AVAX. All-time high was $79.48. So, man, we were buying this thing, 55, 57. It was 55 the other night. Hopefully y'all picked y'all up some AVAX cryptocurrency. I gave you a shout out for using Pumptober. Yeah, I was just telling people we need to come up with a slogan for November, man. I'm gonna think of something. I'll definitely think of something. So, guys, not too much happening tonight. Everything's sideways. Let's get some action going into tomorrow. Just remember, you see Bitcoin above 63 before market open. If you have HUT, I suggest waking up pre-market. If you can't, I totally understand. I know how it is. But HUT is at a very critical point where it can either go down a couple bucks and you could possibly take 10 days tomorrow morning off of it. So make sure you're paying attention to it. I do think you buy back possibly $2 cheaper on it, just depending on what happened Rick, I just saw you comment, dude, and that was a really good comment. November to remember, dude. We're gonna have to get that trending. That's cool, man. I like it. I love it, actually. All right, Trini, thank you very much for stopping in. Always a pleasure to see you. Much love. Really appreciate it. Yeah, November to remember, man. That's catchy. We'll have to roll with that. Thank you for that. We'll be watching Shiba, see if we hold this level above 4000 and continue working our way back up to them all-time highs, which I absolutely had a blast, everybody, watching Shiba hit that all-time high with all the other night. RSI looks like it might break 70. Let's see what you're looking at real quick, man. Shiba. Yeah, 68 right now. That's off the 4 hour. 57 off the 5 minute. Let's see where we're at on the 30 minute. Yeah, it's not a bad idea just watching it off the 4 hour. That can give you a real good indication. See, because off that 4 hour, you're sitting up here at 84 and then you drop down. Yeah, it's way overbought, but it's been overbought quite some time. So Bitcoin will do the same thing. It'll stay overbought for, a month or 2, 3 months at a time, man. It can ride that high for quite some time. So yeah, I hope you're feeling better too. Really do. So 45.08 was the all-time high on Shiba. Looking to work its way back up, guys. 5 minute chart looking pretty freaking decent right here. Like, that was a pretty good bouncing opportunity right there that we saw. 1 minute chart looking even better. Working our way back up. That little 14 is crossing the 50, and that yep, we're getting that 50 start to hook now. That 50 exponential, which is located by that green line on the screen. So that's looking good. RSI is heating back up. MACD's green. I don't see why you don't go back to 4225 tonight. Let's check out some Doge real quick. Really, really long Doji candles on DogeCoin. Let me see this. So major consolidation. Found some support. Looking for that leg above 26.80 and ultimately 27 cents. I do think we get it soon. When? It's hard to tell, but I think it is looking for a leg up. Healthy pullback from this this major run up we had all the way up to 28.24. So just looking for this bust of 27 cents. Ultimately, we'll be back to 28 pretty quickly. Hopefully we kind of climb up here, get above 27 and consolidate around 27.50, that level I was telling you about yesterday. But I was kind of hoping we would do that way, we wouldn't fall back as hard. But like the charts show, TA is kind of out the window sometimes when crypto goes to do its thing. So yep, Rick's a good dude, man. Rick's a good dude. Put me on that Jasmine coin, man, and absolutely made some tendies off that thing. So Mr. Rick is definitely my dude. So guys, that's what we got for y'all tonight. Just get ready. October 27th, we got the Ethereum 2 upgrade coming. So that's definitely gonna spice things up. Possibly get Ethereum rocking, start moving toward 5,000 bucks per coin. And I think that's going to start pushing Bitcoin a lot higher too as well. Maybe even over that 67 range. Robert Dean showing we got 2 likes away from 30. If y'all ain't smashed it, please smash it for me. So that's what we aim for. 200 views, 30 likes a video. I'm a happy camper, guys. Y'all make it too easy for me. So I'm looking to head out, guys. Make sure to tune in tomorrow night, 8:30 p.m. Central. Same time, every time. So hopefully we'll be staring at some much higher crypto prices. And if y'all need me, hit me up in the Discord. You can direct message me or just drop the @ symbol at Matt's Market. And I usually get back to y'all pretty quick. So much appreciated, everybody. Thank you, Mvu, Rick, everybody, Adam, me, Trini. Thank y'all for tuning in. GM. I will catch y'all each tomorrow night. And much love and best of luck in the market. And remember to invest in yourself. So